Hello and welcome to PLR House's product setup training. So in this video, we are going to show you how to register your domain name. So if you are an absolute beginner and don't know what is a domain is, actually a domain name is your website name. A domain name is the address where internet users can access your website. Choosing the right domain name for your website is very crucial for your success. So if you choose the wrong domain name, then it can be a hassle to switch later on without hurting your brand and search rankings. That is why it is extremely important that you choose the best domain name from the start. Before we start to register the domain, please keep the following points in mind. First of all, stick with the .com extension. Though there are plenty of domain name extensions are available, we always recommend choosing a .com domain name because it is still the most credible and established name extension. .com domains are also the most memorable ones. The second point, keep your domain short. It is better to have your domain name memorable as well as short. I would say keep it under 15 characters. As you know, it is harder for the user to remember long domain names. So third point, try to use keywords in your domain name search. If possible, we would suggest including your keyword in your domain name. This will help search engine to know what is your website all about and help ranking your domain high in search. The fourth point is make it easy to pronounce and spell. Your domain name should be simple and easy to pronounce. For example, google.com, amazon.com. The last but not the least point we want to make is keep it unique and brandable. Your domain name should be unique so that it should stand out from the crowd. For example, google.com is much brandable than bestsearchengine.com. With that being said, let's go to the real domain name registration process. So in this video, we are using Namecheap.com for the domain registration. So first of all, go to Namecheap.com. Then you will see a screen like this. So here is a search button. You can enter your domain name here, the desired domain name. For example, let me search a domain name, Dev Planning. Then hit the search button. So it will show you whether the desired domain name is available. In my case, devplanning.com is available. Click the Add to Cart button. Then go to the actual cart. As you can see, it cost you $9.06. So I am in the US, that's why it's showing in US dollars. So you can choose different currencies like Euro, British Pound, Canadian dollars, Australian dollars, Indian rupees, according to your choice. So once you have done that, just press Confirm Order. It will lead you to another screen where you have to register a new account. In case you are new to Namecheap, it will ask you to create an account. So you can create the account by filling out the basic information like username, password, first name, last name, email address, some basic information. Then just press create account and continue. So once you have done that, you will get your account registered and you will get the username and password. Login by using your new username and password. Then you can complete the purchase process. Finally, once you have completed your process, you will get an email from Namecheap.com saying that your domain is successfully registered. So that is it for registering your domain. Thank you and see you in the next video.